people in the UK
Okay.
that are funding the project. They're very interested to know how it's going and how the actual training. So it's a happy coincidence that you're doing it today whilst I'm here.
So okay.
So what was that session all about?
So this is about the third module.
Yep.
We have in this Stitch program
Yep.
actually 4 modules.
Yep.
So the first module is me as a person.
Yep.
Me as a person.
Yep.
This has 9 topics.
Yep.
This mostly deals with the psychological well-being of an individual.
Yep.
So how an individual grows within himself
Yep.
or herself and grows also for others.
Yep.
So as a person, individual grows. That's the
Yep.
first part of it.
Yep.
So we have 9 sessions for that.
Right.
So that is over actually.
Yeah.
And the second module, second training session is about me as a supervisor.
Right.
As a supervisor, how do you act in the company?
Yeah.
How do you solve a problem?
Yeah.
How do you manage a team?
Mhm.
So all these are done in the second. So
Yeah.
we have actually completed 15 sessions.
Right, okay.
15 sessions. That
Yeah.
is 2 modules.
Yeah.
So today actually we are starting the new model.
Right.
That is me as a team member.
Right.
Team member. So
Yeah.
I am part of a team.
Yeah.
I am part of a team. I am not a superior person.
Yeah.
I form a part of a whole team.
Yeah.
So as a member. So that's the first lesson we had today.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, as a team member.
Yeah.
So next is we have me as a leader.
Yeah.
As a leader, how
That's
do you?
that's the fourth
Yeah, fourth
one.
one.
Yeah.
One.
Okay.
So as a leader, how do you go about? So
Yeah.
this is the Stitch program
Yeah.
that we have planned
Okay.
as a skill training
Okay.
for these supervisors.
Okay. And how? I mean, you've obviously got a majority of female
Yeah.
potential supervisors
Yeah.
on the course. How do you handle the cultural?
Yeah. See,
Dimension.
this is so special in garment industries
Yeah.
that we have mostly women inside.
Yeah.
And in this particular training session,
Yeah.
we have only 2 men.
Yeah.
Totally 16 people participate,
Yeah.
but only 2 men.
Yeah.
So as women, they form the majority, but there is particular subject called gender equality.
Yeah.
We have one subject for gender equality. And usually in India, Tamil Nadu, usually women are the minority people.
Sure.
They are mostly abused, mostly not respected well.
Yeah.
So this particular engaging session actually empowers them.
Yeah.
Empowers them. That's how it is done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how are they responding so far?
Yeah, they are happy. They are
Yeah.
happy about it. They are very much positive about the whole thing.
Yeah.
We have actually before every training session pre-test.
Okay.
Pre-test. You saw I was handling a paper,
Yeah.
giving to them.
Yeah.
So they usually note down whatever they know or
Yeah.
don't know. So
Okay.
after the session, a particular session, we give them a post-test.
Right.
For every module, we do a scientific testing also.
Okay.
So after that, we do a research and identify whether this particular person actually understood something.
Okay. And what was the square? The
Yeah,
square.
it's about a broken square.
Yeah.
So we have in each envelope,
Yeah.
we have put it cut a square inside
Yeah.
and put it inside.
Yeah.
Actually, I have taken one piece out of that and mixed with the other
Right.
material. So,
Okay.
so what they have to do as a person, as a team,
Put the
they
square
have
together.
to create a square together.
Okay.
So, but they should not speak to,
Yeah.
but they can share.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's what we have
Right.
listed. So finally,
Okay.
actually, 2 teams completed
Yeah.
4 squares each.
Okay.
The third team actually they struggled with that.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is about broken square.
And at the end of the line, you had someone. Was that?
Yeah, they are observers.
Okay,
They are,
observers.
their role is to
Okay.
see
Yeah.
who is actually engaging in this particular team.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
is someone actually participating or
Yeah.
not participating?
Yeah.
Or someone actually dominating whole team?
Yeah.
So that's what their
Yeah, yeah.
observer has to do.
Okay.
And finally, they have to present a report.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
how today's lesson completed.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Anto.
Thank you,
I
thank
appreciate
you.
that.
Yeah.
And good luck with the rest of the course.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too. Yeah.
Yeah.
When's the next session?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Okay.
Morning.
Okay.
Yeah.